Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for deep dives into smart, reliable, and game-changing products. Today, we're taking a look at what we're calling the best mobile iPad stand available right now, the Lamicall Tablet Floor Tripod Stand. Whether you're a content creator, remote worker, fitness enthusiast, or someone who just loves watching shows comfortably, this stand could be the versatile upgrade you've been missing. Let's start with the build. Right out of the box, the Lamicall Floor Tripod Stand feels premium. The main pole and tripod legs are made from solid aluminum alloy, giving it a sturdy, dependable base while still being lightweight enough to carry around. It stays stable even when mounting larger tablets. It supports devices from 4.7 inches up to 13 inches, which means everything from an iPhone to an iPad Pro, Surface Pro, Galaxy Tab, or Kindle will fit with no problem. Adjustability is where this tripod really shines. It features a 4-level height adjustment system ranging from 16.7 inches all the way up to 65 inches. Sitting on the couch? This stand adapts to you. Just flip the buckle, slide to your preferred height, and lock it in place. The mount offers full 360-degree rotation. Portrait, landscape, or anywhere in between, all achievable with a single twist. The adjustable grip holds your device firmly while still being smooth and easy to operate. One standout feature is the included Bluetooth remote. If you're filming from across the room, recording tutorials, doing fitness videos, or just want to flip through media hands-free, the remote makes it incredibly convenient. Portability is another strong point. The stand folds down into a compact 24-inch form and weighs just 0.75 kilograms. It even comes with a carry bag, making it ideal for creators who travel or for anyone who wants to store it neatly when not in use. Compatibility is excellent. It supports devices between 4.7 and 13 inches, and widths between 5.6 and 8.6 inches. Phones, tablets, e-readers, Nintendo Switch, you name it, this stand can hold it. In everyday use, it just works. There's no shaking or slipping. It feels secure, stable, and effortless to adjust. Your device stays exactly where you need it, giving you a completely hands-free experience without compromising comfort. So whether you're watching movies, reading, video calling, filming, or live streaming, the Lamicall Tablet Floor Tripod Stand adds serious flexibility and comfort to your digital setup. That's it for today's episode. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the bell so you never miss the next product critique. This is the Lamicall Tablet Floor Tripod Stand, our pick for the best mobile iPad stand, and we'll see you in the next one.